What's up, guys? I'm sorry if I haven't done a video for quite a while, but today we're going to the East Kent Railway to do a Woodland walk. I hope you enjoy. I'm back up the system just in case if Bradley needs words. Right, Charlie is our train driver. We're gonna watch him be it. It's just him pretending, by the way. Wait, please, I'm coming. You're the driver, I'm not the driver. Come on then, start the train up. Please, I'm coming. We stopped. Come on then, turn off the train. Yep, turn off the master key. Take a call out. I don't know why I'm doing this, but he forgot to do this. And he did it. Yay! There's a really good cafe here with some really good food. Because we came here before and it was lovely, wasn't it, Mummy?
It was gorgeous food and reasonably priced.
Yeah, and the best thing about this is that the money goes to the train so they might work again.
Doesn't it? To their upkeep.
Yeah.
It's a bit chilly today.
Yeah. This is the cafe. That little thing over there. As good as this. Oh, I think we're here just in time to see the train go.
Okay.
Let's get the train in.
Let's get to that. Small railway next to large railway.
I do love to see a train. PC unit. Shh. Pacer unit, pacer unit. Yeah. Stick that in the video. What other trains do we have? I think that's a carriage. I don't know what's a carriage and what's not a carriage. And that's probably a train. That's your train. And this is one that I really like, this train. Dave too.
Everyone loves Dave.
Yeah. Got it. You're mad of steam.
That's exhaust fumes, not steam.
Well, if you hear me. That's quite loud. Like very loud. These are some, that's an army vehicle. And that's an orange old-fashioned tractor. I wonder how big or small that engine is. But look at the size of these wheels. And now look at the size of these wheels. There's a big difference, isn't there? private, keep out. Or keep out. But on this one, there's just a small difference. No.
There's an information thing there now.
Yeah.
Don't
go over there. We've got a fire truck peeking out of its top. It's quite old too. You can tell. I bet it still works. They covered it up. We're going over to the well. Do-do-do. Make way for YouTuber! This is how deep it is. Go. Yeah, that's how deep it is. And there's a big echo, listen. Big echo.
Yeah, it was longer. It was longer.
Train moving. Alert, train moving. Look at that, perfect timing. We're entering the woodland bit of the walk. So basically, the woodland walk. We're going on the white walk. Not the red, we're going to go on the white one. My mum's gonna film for a bit because I'm off to go and play with my brother. Peace out for now.
Yes, but not so much later though, is it?
No, this is going to be so pretty when all these bluebells come out. It's going to look lovely. Dog.
Hold on. That's it now. Come on.
Get back up.
That's it. There you go.
Get back up.
Storm's alright. Storm's got 4-4 drive.
Oh yeah. Not an effort for her.
4-4 drive, you weirdo.
The room people back.
Hold on. Hold on.
For the content.
Hold on. Oh.
Oh, you made me jump.
That bit was rotten then.
Yeah. But for the content, we tried.
You did try, Pickle.
You held on.
I
though.
have 2
Do that.
sticks. Look how big I can climb. Look how high I can Why?
Right, you're going to try and hang on this one again, are you?
No! That's close. Attempt 2 on a different branch.
Yes, yes, yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
I stood over that just now.
Which bit? Oh, that bit.
Look how close. Like a monkey.
You are a monkey.
Yep, now you might stick.
It's holding
Okay.
on.
Oh, it wouldn't be, would it? It's a road. It's a road.
Just keep. Why?
Buick engine. Yeah, the LT77.
How big is that tree trunk? Hang on, Storm. Hold up. Slow down. Slow down. Hold up. I have to see this. Wow. Charlie, look how big this is. Look how big this is. Look how.
Up on that, Charlie. Can you get down up on
Sawdust. Charlie, could you get up on
that?
that?
Get up on there. Can I get up and walk about on there?
For the content, I'm filming.
Yes, you do. You're scared.
Hold that. I need to concentrate on filming.
That goes a lot. Oh, I think that's a good. Right, go on in. Walk up.
If there's nothing around, let her off.
Walk up.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm filming the content.
Whatever happens, don't.
Bit longer than a minute, but it don't matter.
Okay, so let go, Daddy. Yeah. Sure.
I mean, you know.
Oh, yeah, slowly. The moss could slip you down.
Fall off. You might get a ride in a helicopter. Yes, that's the point.
Alright, stop there though. Good stuff. Well done.
You're braver than me on this. And we're back on the walk. Make way for a YouTuber. Is it the end? I don't see the signs anywhere. I'm sure I've walked through this bit. I think the train's back. And no, we're not. Where is everyone? I'm going to stop here. Hold up. Right, we're off again. Everyone's back.
It's to make certain that you can figure out a way of cranking it without start. Oh, really? Yes. Be able to do that. Can't crank it over without.
This thing's low on battery. Hey, we made it. You're done. I told you we were almost there. Boom! And there's the shines. Right. Let's just wait. Interesting fact, this train may look like it's dead, but it isn't. It still runs under its own steam. It's an interesting fact. We're coming into the platform. Here is the ticket office. Not working at the moment, but tomorrow it will be. And then we've got the trains. One of them's running over there. I don't know which one it is, but one of them is running. I'm filming now.
You film? Oh, look at that.
And that's what I call the tough engine. Well, that lets you dance around up there. Denny, what does it look like? Should we get a picture? Thanks for watching the East Kent Railway Woodland Walk. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.